Anytime you're dealing with criminal offense, and it's a problem that we have over and over and over. I hear it again. You know, people get arrested who are innocent, who haven't done anything. And you know, you gotta watch what you say, because those policemen are trained to elicit information from you that they need. And then a lot of times, you know, people incriminate themselves without having the need to. So I would advise anybody, before going to speak with the police, to be represented by counsel, somebody who knows your rights, or at least can tell you your rights.
Just as we, as citizens, have to abide by certain standards and codes of conduct, you know, the same is required of people who are conducting investigations, okay? So, you know, you want someone who is able to hold their feet to the fire and make sure that they did things the right way, make sure that they didn't cross the lines, that they followed the proper procedure.
Far too often you have attorneys, you know, in these big firms who, like I said, they read paperwork and they don't listen to the client. You know, they get the client to come in and fill out the client information sheet, and they read the sentence that say what the client thinks happened, instead of coming in, listening to the client, sitting down, going through the facts, and figuring out exactly what's going on. I can't count on my hand the times that a client has come in and has spoken with several different lawyers who have told them one thing, and they're coming to me just, you know, as a final result, you know. And, you know, everything turns around, because what I do, I sit down and listen, not only what they're saying, but I want the facts. I want to know exactly what happened. And I go out and I do the work as all lawyers should do.
Everyone needs a lawyer. Everyone who's facing potential criminal charges needs someone who's experienced. You know, it's not their first time. They know the books, but they also know the practical application of it. You want someone who's tried cases before. You know, again, it helps to be able to see the big picture, you know, to know exactly what the potential import of this statement might be later on at trial, or the potential impact of this piece of evidence. Although you're not yet in a courtroom, you want somebody who can kind of tie those things together and see where law enforcement might be going with this, see where the prosecution is going with this, and understand just what needs to be done to make sure at the end of the day you get the best results for you, and you're able to put this unpleasant chapter behind you and move forward.